I'm SP162, all right?
Sir, once again, this is not a vehicle.
I know it's not a vehicle.
For the record.
Well, you said it was at your house.
This is my house.
I get that, and I understand. But I still would like to know who I'm speaking to.
Sir, am I under arrest?
No, you're being detained.
Am I free to leave?
No, you're not.
For the record, may I get your name and your badge number?
Well, for the record, I'd like to know who I'm speaking to as well.
May I have your name and your badge number?
Can you stop making things hard,
SP162.
Is there a record of this?
No, I gave you my name.
Is there a record of this accountant, sir?
I'd like to know your name.
Is there a record of this accountant, sir?
Here's the deal, sir.
Sir, is there a record of this accountant, sir?
Get out of the car.
Excuse
okay,
me.
and if you refuse to do that, sir, then that is just
sir,
lawful order.
Sir,
and then
sir, may I have your name and your badge number?
In an unsafe situation,
Sir, may I have your badge and your name and badge number?
My name is Andrew. My badge number is 131. Okay.
Officer Bandrew, what is the emergency and how can I help you?
Yes, sir. All we want to do is know who you are, right? Because by state law, you have to provide that to us.
What facts or information are you alleging giving you proper cause to stop and across me?
Well, why did you stop him, Alan?
Speed. You passed me on the interstate.
Okay.
I locked you in my radar at 70 miles per hour.
Do you have a proper sign and issue warrant authorize you to search me or my property?
We don't need that, sir, by state law. We just want to know who you are. That's all we want.
Officer.
Okay, if you're going to keep reading lines from your book.
And badge number 131, do you have a proper signature and issue warrant of arrest that's accurate describing me or the person to be arrested?
I'm feeling so unsafe right now.
Okay, why don't you hop out then?
Thank you. Please.
Sir.
Yes, this is not okay at all.
You can hop out.
Oh, what the fuck is going on here?
Hang on, before you get out, let me get in my car. You just hurry and get out and close my door and lock it.
There's nothing you did.
Sir, at this point...
I'm close my door. Please? Thank you.
I can close it for you. Is that what you want?
I have it.
Okay, sir, at this point, we're going to ask you who you are.
For the record, I am not capacitating operating in a for-hire.
If you do not want to tell us who you
I
are,
am
that's
not.
fine.
For the record, I am not operating in for a for-hire, capitated, or engaging in any form of transportation other than, not even in commercial use of the highway.
Okay, then you.
So please, for notice that you have been informed.
If you cannot,
officer, am I under custody arrest?
You will be. Yes.
If I'm not under custody arrest, am I free to go?
No, you're not. You will be under arrest here, sir. Okay.
What is the ultimate cause that led you to believe that I have committed or about to commit a crime that authorized you and to detain or arrest me?
Sir, we're going to ask you to get out of the car.
What is the article? Why are you pulling me over that leads you to believe that I have committed or about to commit a crime that authorized you to stop and detain or arrest me?
Okay, sir, just listen here, bud. Listen, if you can't tell us who you are,
for the record, officer,
at this point you're under arrest.
In order to protect my rights and not waive any of my rights by error or accident, I wish to clarify my legal understanding of the situation. You say that I'm not free to go, so I must conclude that I am in a custodial arrest and not simply in investigation detainment. Therefore, I am revoking all of my fundamental protection rights, including my rights to remain silent and my rights.
You are under arrest. Please exit the vehicle. You are under arrest for fail to obey lawful orders. So you are under arrest right now. If you refuse to exit the vehicle, then you will be removed.
Sir, I wish not to leave my vehicle.
Okay, well then we're going to
have... This is not a vehicle. This is not a vehicle. I wish not to leave my car.
Just to be announced again.
Officer, I wish not to leave my car. I wish not to leave my car.
Okay.
Due to any traffic violations or transportation violations. These are my rights, my fundamental rights. If you ask me to give up my rights, I will give them up because of your guns and I feel threatened.
We're going to break your window.
Because I feel threatened. Only because I feel threatened.
Okay.
Only because I feel threatened.
Vehicle, please.
Hello.
How's it going?
It's going all right. How about you?
Hey, I'm sorry because of your tag. You don't have a legal license plate on your vehicle.
Has there been a crime committed?
I know how this deal goes. Do you have your driver's license?
Has there been a crime committed?
Do you have your driver's license?
Can I have your name and badge number, please?
Do you have your driver's license?
Do you mind giving me your name and badge number so I know who I'm dealing with, please, sir?
Sir, you need to identify yourself.
I mean, I'm asking for you to identify yourself.
You're identifying yourself, and then we'll talk about mine.
Have I done anything unlawful?
Yes, your license plate.
That's unlawful.
Yes. Hang away. Of you step up here. Go ahead and step out for me. Any guns, knives, anything like that on you?
I don't answer any questions.
Hands right here. Spread your arms apart. Spread apart. Spread your feet. No guns, knives, stuff like that?
I don't answer any questions without a lawyer.
All right, let's walk right back here.
What's the reason I'm being under arrest?
Not under arrest.
I mean, if I'm not free to go, then I'm under arrest.
All right. We're going to find out who you are first, okay?
My name is Andrew Albert.
Okay. Do you have any ID?
I don't have any ID.
None at all.
No driver's license. No registered tag. This is my property. It's my private property. It's my personal conveyance. And I'm exercising my right to travel. Is that okay?
I need some ID or some type of identification. Have you ever had a license in Alabama?
I'm not going to answer any questions without an attorney present.
What'd you say your name was?
Andrew Albert. What was your name, please?
Officer Barksdale.
And can I have your badge number and your command?
11090.
And your command?
Command, like officer in charge?
Yes.
Who is our officer in charge today?
So I'd like to know your command. And why do I have all these privateers surrounding me right now? If there's not been a crime committed, I don't know. I don't have any first-hand knowledge of that.
Of your birthday?
Yeah. Were you aware when you were born?
Yes.
You were. So you knew the date when you came out.
I've got the.
That's pretty good. That's pretty impressive.
Sir, we're going to have your information.
Has there been a crime committed?
Yes.
What crime has been
committed?
committed?
First of all, you don't have a driver's license. Second of all, you don't have a license plate.
What probable cause did you have to get behind me?
That license plate.
And that's a crime.
Yes.
What were you doing in Helena?
I mean, I'm just traveling.
Okay, who were you traveling with?
I mean, I'm not going to answer any with. I wasn't traveling with anyone.
There's a female that was with you.
Oh, that was a lady who asked me to pick her up at the library to look at her pressure washing her house.
And where was her house?
Plantation Place.
And how did she get your information? Why you?
Why, she's some kind of criminal or something?
Well, we're just trying to figure out how you come from nowhere to pick up some lady in a park to look at a pressure washer.
A pressure washing job.
Okay.
And I don't understand how that's a crime.
Stand here, okay.
Well,
stand here for a second.
your van also matches a burglary suspect.
Really?
Yep.
From where?
From our city.
And from your city?
Yes.
What city is that?
It's Helena.
And what was your name and badge number, please?
My name's Officer Murphy.
And your badge number?
We don't have badge numbers.
He had a badge number, you don't have a badge number. That's pretty interesting.
Well, he works for the city of
So
Pelham.
what would be your command in this?
My command?
Yeah, what is your command?
I don't have a command.
Do you have your training manual in your car?
I'm not required to have my training manual.
But did you go through training? Proper training? Okay, well, it says right in there that you, upon request, have to identify yourself by your name, your badge number, and your command.
Did you go through my training?
I know all about the training.
But you didn't go through my training.
But all training is that way.
All training.
All,
What training did you go through?
I mean, I study law.
Okay, so when you were in
I'm
law
not going to answer any more questions
in
because
that
you have no
training-
probable cause, no
that
crime has
training-
been committed. You're saying I matched some kind of suspect, but you don't have any probable cause or evidence to back up and support your claims. That's pretty interesting, facts. I don't have one. I'm not going to answer any other questions. If I'm not free to go,
Here's the thing. If you lie about the name that you gave us, that's not your full name.
that's my proper name. That's the only legal name that I can go by. Do you understand?
I'm going to tell you this.
And I do not require your services, nor do I wish to join her. Do you understand that?
If you don't give the proper name to avoid a warrant, it's a felony.
That is a
Be
proper
arrested.
name. So you just said, based on your testimony, if I don't give the proper name, that is my proper name.
Full name.
Full name.
No, you said proper name. So now you're backtracking, going against your own statement.
No, I'm telling you.
No, you're going against your own statement.
Don't give
On and for the
full name.
record, I do not require your services, nor do I wish to join her.
All right. I've warned you.
Is that a threat?
No, I just gave you full warning.
What is the exact warning?
If that is not your full name, And
I never told you it was my full name. I told you 3 times that's my proper name.
All right, what is your full
now
name?
it's a fact in this case.
Okay. That's obstruction of justice to use a false identity.
That's not a false identity. It's the only legal. 18 U.S.C. 1342.
Right.
Look it up. I guess you don't care about the law, do you?
I do.
Because y'all are all privateers, business license privateer. You're not in your official capacity. You're here in your private capacity right now, trespassing upon me. And that is the facts. It's apparent that y'all don't really know the law. So you got an eyewitness that says that a crime has been committed? Because if so, I require them to come down and point me out, identify me as the person who committed the crime. May I know your name and badge number, please, sir?
Detective Belanco, 11080.
Thank you very much. Do not consent to any illegal search and seizure, and do not require your services, nor do I wish to join nor contract with you in any way.
Go ahead, turn around.
I'm being taken against my will.
Can you grab that phone?
Being kidnapped.